Hi, my name is Maria Leonard and I'm a facilitator at Illuminations JLT and the founder of Life Scripting. And today I want to talk to you about space clearing. Space clearing is to help you clean the energy of your house, your office, your garden, your car, or any object that you have, and to make it high vibrational positive energy to bring you abundance, love, joy, health, and happiness. We bring a lot of energy from our outer environment. When we feel sad, upset, or angry, the energy gets stuck in our house and it gets stuck to our objects. When you learn how to do space clearing, you're able to clear all of that and raise your vibration. What will you benefit from this course? Help you to bring in more money into your life, more love into your life, to bring you greater health, and to know all the areas in the house based on feng shui practice. This course will help you to get rid of all negative energy, all stuck energy in your house, and also in your aura and in your energy field. You will learn how to declutter your house, you will learn the art of feng shui, and you will also know how to clear your energy with activations. Why don't you join me on my upcoming course? Book right now.